On today's episode, we're talking about the various capabilities of New Relic AI. Starting your journey to observability with a new platform can be daunting. Telemetry is emitted from seemingly infinite sources, and understanding where to start can be a task filled with reading documentation and testing ideas. To assist with this challenge, we built New Relic AI with a direct connection to the latest versions of our documentation. This allows you to ask questions and receive insightful and actionable answers, all in the same page as the rest of New Relic. Once my environment is instrumented, I'm moving into operational mode, where I need to make sense of my telemetry for a number of various reasons. Let's take a look at the AI assistant's ability to draw your attention to the deviating needles in your metaphorical haystack. Isolating important signals that help you proactively understand what's happening in your environment is critical to help you get in front of potential problems. Coming down from our 10,000-foot view, let's take a look at our plan service. New Relic AI is contextually aware of the entity details that are in a page. This allows you to have a conversational approach to understanding how your telemetry can answer your questions. Knowing that the most common cause of problems in our world is change, let's take a quick look at the most recent deployment for this service. As I investigate the details of this change, I'm noticing that the error rate here is somewhat volatile. Let's go back to our summary page and keep digging. Asking the AI assistant a basic question can show you the details behind the UI here. And additionally, we've added the ability to quickly summarize the results into a quick snippet that is easy to understand for anyone who may be investigating. Now this error rate feels pretty high, so let's go look at our errors inbox and see if there's anything we can learn from there. Now I can see here that there are multiple occurrences of this single error. Clicking on it will give me a more detailed explanation. Wow, this is pretty verbose, and digging through stack traces isn't really my favorite activity. Let's see what the AI assistant can tell me about this. And here it is. A nice summary of the error with a root cause, potential solutions, and supporting documentation that I can pass on to the service owners before a customer impacting event begins. Alternatively, if your service owners prefer to generate logs, you can always use our Logs UI, where you will find the same Explain This Error button, waiting to provide you with quick insights and value. Our hope with New Relic AI is not only to provide you with more intelligent DevOps workflows, but to help you make observability a team sport that everyone can participate in and benefit from, even the members of your organization who are less familiar with observability or the specifics of a particular technology. Let's say you're a VP in charge of customer experience and someone sends a link to this dashboard in New Relic. This can be overwhelming to understand at first, so let's ask our AI assistant to help us see the intention of this dashboard. As you can see, our AI assistant is giving us a detailed summary of the contents on this page, along with potential issues and recommended next steps. As someone who doesn't live in the observability space, this can help me quickly get up to speed on the context my colleague has shared with me. I would also like to further understand some of these individual widgets and learn what makes them tick. By clicking the View Query option in the action menu of a chart, the AI assistant can also help with breaking down the NRQL or NERQL that runs all of these items. So not only does our AI assistant explain the key clauses and functions of the NRQL, it also gives a more human-readable summarization to help you understand. Today I've shown you how our AI assistant can help you onboard with New Relic, prioritize the anomalous signals that need your attention first, answer natural language questions about your apps and services, diagnose and resolve errors from both errors inbox and our logs experience, and analyze your dashboards. And there's much more to come as we are actively building out more backend tools and integrations across New Relic to provide a more streamlined, proactive, and insightful experience that draws on the power of having all of your telemetry data accessible in a unified platform.